Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. In this video I am going to show you how to do the correction, because so many requests is coming, because some what are the field available, is there any charge, is there any option to change your exam center. So many confusion are there, so that I am recording this video for your help. So please watch this video till the end, and here your doubt will be clear. All the step by step I want to show you. Okay, here this is the correction of application. After click the correction of application, what are the field available, just see this. And please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update about UGC NET. Not only update but also preparation is going on. All the complete free preparation is going on here. From 4:30 p.m. I am taking the live class for paper 1, where we are solving all the previous year's question, subject wise previous year's question, and topic, concept, everything. And this is my website unifystudy.com. Here you can avail free mock test, time bound mock test, full length mock test for paper 1, data interpretation, that is DI, reading comprehension, ICT, and all the subject wise mock test you can avail here. So this is the channel where you can get the help. By this help you can crack your exam. Okay, now come to the point, that is what are the steps. And this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. So please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon and follow me to get all the latest update and to crack the exam. Now see, after login, after successfully login, it will show your name, and here it is showing that is everything is completed. And here you can download your confirmation page. And where is the correction? Here see that the correction in application form. Just click on this, after that it will show yes, these are the condition, you have to agree. Here check this button, you have to agree. After that proceed for correction, click on this, you have to proceed for correction. Now see, there the candidate name, date of birth, gender, every option are there. You can change everything, every option are showing here. I am not showing my data because this is my personal data, so I will not share with you. So here all the option is available about the personal details. Then apply for, if some students are there who have forgot to apply for JRF, so remember that if you have the age and if you are eligible for JRF, then you can change here JRF also. Here the subject, what are the subject? First center, this is more important, that is first center, second center, every city you can change as per your convenience. Where you are staying now, try to change your exam center, so that you can get the exam, you can attempt the exam. Your nearby center, try to choose. Okay, now next one, see that. Now there are the address, if there is any problem in your address, you can change your address. And here the upload of the photo, here photograph and signature, there is the option for photograph and signature. If you have done any problem in your photo, any problem in your signature, then you can change it also. So everything you can change here. And after that you have to put the security pin. Your security pin will be different, you have to put the security pin. After that you have to submit. So this is the all the process, and whatever field is available. Just now I have logged in and I checked that what is the what is available field and how you can change. So this was all about how to do the correction and what are the field available, because some students are asking. That's why I have uploaded the video. I think this video will be helpful for you all. So please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.